Hi everyone, welcome to
Formula Podcast.
So today we're gonna talk about free compulsory education in Indonesia. Alright, this time I have this amazing friend. This is Salma Sari Kolbi, and then my friends.
My name is Iqbal Farizi Hidayat, and then
Hello guys, I am Anugrah Balat Sulaiman and the last friend is
Anggina Salsabila.
Well, first let me explain a little bit about this conversation before we start in this change. The world of Indonesian education is very dynamic and rich with various discourses and programs. One discourse this is always discussed is implementing free education. Free education is education that free students or parents, especially is related to the teaching and learning process and school to the construction. Free education will allow people from all backgrounds, including those low middle class families, to able to access a good quality education. There we go. So, how do you guys say about free compulsory education in Indonesia? Do you have something in your mind? Do you agree or disagree? Or maybe any of you not really into this?
I have
Okay, Iqbal first.
I will explain about the first argument. The argument is agree. In Indonesia, many people agree with this statement. If we look at education, it is a door to success in the future. But one of the factors that support it is the economy. How many children born into underprivileged families have difficult in continuing their education to the next level? In fact, some have had their education cut off early on. Based on statistic Indonesia, 76% of families in Indonesia were forced to drop out of school due to the economy. This is why education is very important and must be free so that all groups can feel the same rights, namely learning and getting education. Thus, free education will make Indonesia future bright because every child has the opportunity to develop so that the next generation will have the best quality. This is enough for me, Salma.
Okay, Iqbal. So, you agree with this statement, right? Okay, why Gina?
Um, I have different argument from Iqbal.
Okay, why you disagree with Iqbal?
Because as a people is agree with that. Also, free compulsory education has a good and noble goal. In reality, there are still many problems that need to be fixed. Free is not a guarantee of quality education. What is important is not only free of charge, but also the quality of teachers, facilities, management system, and support from all parties, including families and the community. Well, this free education must also be accompanied by strict supervision and routine evaluation. Don't let the state's money run out, but the results are not comparable. The government must think of a long-term solution, not just labeling it free, but without clear control. So the point is, this program still needs serious improvement so that it really brings benefit and not just image.
Okay, thank you, Gina. The last, Anugrah. Do you agree or disagree with the statement?
I am in a natural position on the statement of pre-compulsory education in Indonesia. The implementation of free education in Indonesia is a great plan as it has the potential to expand access to education for the underprivileged, improve human resource, and reduce social inequality. However, this policy requires a large budget and good management, so as not to compromise the quality of education provided. Without careful planning, schools might lack facilities and qualified teachers, resulting in suboptimal benefits. In addition, reliance on the government may reduce the role of the private sector in education development. So, while the idea of free education is good, its implementation must be supported by a sustainable system, free education in Indonesia. So, is my argument. Thanks.
Okay, I think we should wrap what we just talked. Anyone? Okay, Bang.
Alright, the last paragraph I will explain about the conclusion. The conclusion is free education in Indonesia is good idea because it help all children, especially the underprivileged, to go to school. However, it's not enough. That is free education should also be high quality with good teacher and adequate facilities.
So that's our topic for today. Some people agree, some people skeptical, and some are neutral as they see both the good and the bad. So, for free education to be truly beneficial, the government must plan and manage it well and involve our, all parties for maximum result. So, we are Team 6. Thank you for today. See you in the next